When tiling a home, the cleanest results always come from the smallest details. Let's begin with the window sill. First, all tiles are measured precisely, and edges are trimmed for a tight fit. The surface is leveled, and adhesive is spread evenly. Not too much, not too little. Then, each piece is gently pressed into place, checking alignment from every angle. A smooth edge and flush surface protect the window from water and keep the finish elegant for years. Next, the shower niche. This part demands even more accuracy. Waterproofing must be fully sealed, corners reinforced, and every cut tile must match the layout perfectly. With careful trimming and edge polishing, the niche becomes a clean storage space. No gaps, no sharp edges, no weak points for water to sneak in. Craftsmanship is not fast. But when tiles meet perfectly, you can feel the quality every time you look at it.